Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today, I am pleased to present our project entitled Innovating Green Futures, Empowering Higher Education for a Sustainable Workforce. This project is led by Dr. Muhammad Rahim Kamis together with the dedicated team members, Associate Professor Dr. Noliza Cik Yahya, myself, Dr. Mariam Jamila Muhammad Hashim, IR Dr. Amirul Abdul Rashid, and Professor Dr. Ramlan Zailani. This innovation project is part of the TUNE project, which is funded by the Erasmus program of the European Union. UTM is the project coordinator of the TUNE project, which includes 8 partner higher education institutions from Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, and European HEIs. TUNE project can be categorized into 3 solid pillars, which will serve as a foundation for sustainable results, namely management and quality monitoring phase, operational phase, dissemination phase. These pillars are to serve as guiding foundations to ensure that our work is impactful, relevant, and aligned with the needs of industries as well as the aspiration of HEIs. This innovation project is to support Asian countries' HEIs to provide suitable curricular activities in terms of developing content in green job educations, intercultural awareness and understanding, produce graduates with competence in green skills, and increase the employability of students that suit not only the local labor market but also internationally. This is because higher education institutions have an important role in grooming students with an understanding of green skills. This is to make sure that they are ready for their future career, with most likely will go towards sustainability practices. The main aim of this innovation project is to explore innovative approaches to integrate green skills and sustainability practices into higher education, while ensuring that graduates are ready to contribute effectively to the workforce. The methodology employed involved collecting quantitative inputs through a market survey. We create a toolkit for the analysis of green job education in HEI's questionnaire. For the market survey, data were gathered from higher education institutions, HEIs, in Malaysia, Vietnam, and Indonesia. These questionnaires were distributed online via Google Forms and through multiple channels to ensure a broad and representative sample, including participants from non-partner universities. The fieldwork phase took place during April and May 2025. A total of respondents participated in the survey are 1,430 respondents, representing 3 categories, which are students, management staff, and academic staff. These respondents were drawn from a range of higher education institutions. The collected data were analyzed using both descriptive and inferential statistical techniques. Descriptive techniques were processed using SPSS to identify general trends and patterns in the responses. For deeper analysis, inferential statistics were conducted using structural equation modeling with the help of smart PLS software, enabling the examination of complex relationships between key constructs. The framework highlighting the core innovating green futures, empowering higher education for a sustainable workforce is shaped by six interconnected constructs, which are awareness, curricular development, knowledge, infrastructure, skills development, and governance. These components represent the foundational elements required to effectively prepare students and institutions for green employment opportunities. The strategic innovation theme is centered around innovating green futures, empowering higher education for a sustainable workforce. This theme reflects our commitment to bridging the gap between academia and industry while nurturing graduates who are future ready. Hence, this innovation project highlighted with five main focus areas, which are curriculum integration, sustainability awareness, industry academia collaboration, skills development platforms, and lastly, governance and infrastructure innovation. This project contributes not only to the advancement of sustainability in higher education, but also provides a practical framework that can be adopted by other institutions. It fosters collaboration between universities, industries, and policymakers and supports the transition towards a greener workforce. It makes significant contributions to the ongoing discourse on sustainable development by aligning closely with global frameworks such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and UNESCO's Education for Sustainable Development Agenda. As part of our dissemination strategy, we are also preparing an e-publication that will document our research findings, frameworks, and best practices. This will allow wider accessibility and knowledge sharing among stakeholders. Thank you for your kind attention.